Now guys, I looked at some of the footage from Mount Fuji's vlogs yesterday, and it is a bit bright and overblown a bit, which I'm a bit disappointed about. I think one of the settings on the GoPro was set wrong. So we're going to see if we can extract what we can from it and use what we can. I did get some great drone footage of Lake Kawaguchi and also of the pagoda, and hopefully we can get some of the vlog footage from the GoPro as well. I did get some awesome photos too, so really enjoyed it. But yesterday was the prime time to have come and see Mount Fuji, because today it is clouded over and this cold wind that's coming down off the mountain is just very chilly, hence why the hoodie. So yeah, if you ever come to Mount Fuji, make sure you check the weather and come on a very clear day, because that mountain now is obscured by cloud. Good morning guys, it is a beautiful morning here in Fujiyoshida in the heart of Japan, and just doing some video editing. But check out this view, Mount Fuji right there outside the window. Absolutely beautiful. Clear sky. Yesterday was raining, but today it is beautiful. Old school Japanese house and the Japanese breakfast. Just been at the guest house for the night. I'm going to do a vlog about that guest house. It is awesome. Just had an awesome breakfast as well in one of the ancient style Japanese homes. I think they call them Minto homes or Minko homes. Can't remember the actual name of the homes, but they are awesome. So this is just like a little town nestled at the bottom of Mount Fuji, and it's a beautiful day today. Blue skies guys. Yesterday it was raining, but today it is going to be a fantastic day. Now I am heading up to the top of a pagoda, and going to check out one of the awesome views of Mount Fuji right there. How awesome is that? This is the little town of Fujiyoshida, and now I'm heading up to a pagoda up in the mountains somewhere there, so we can get a really good view of Mount Fuji. Let's look for a place to fly the drone. It's actually a good walk up here. Took probably about 30 minutes to walk up. I think it's about like 500 steps. And the distance was about, I think, 3 Ks, which is pretty good. Anyway guys, let's find a spot to launch the drone. Guys, check out those vibes. Chureito Pagoda, Mount Fuji, Fujiyoshida City, and Kiwi. Beautiful. About 11 a.m. Check that out. You can actually see the reflection of the sun on the top, just glimmering right there. How amazing is that? Alright guys, we have made it to Lakeside, Lake Kawaguchi. here in Fujiyoshida City near Mount Fuji. Look at that beautiful lake and the mountains in the background. I'm going to see if I can throw up the fly cam and get some fly cam vibes of Kawaguchi Lake.